Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Judy Marie L. Imason, and the topic that was assigned to me was mediate inference. But before we start, let me recall the meaning of inference. Inference is the procedure where human mind starts from one or more than proposition to another if seen to be part of the former. There are two types of inference: the immediate inference that was discussed by Ilya Vera and the mediate inference that I will discuss to you today. So, what is mediate inference? Mediate inference is a method of reasoning by drawing a conclusion from two premises, or it occurs when there are three terms in a proposition. Mediate inference provides information on something other than experience, and this can be measured via devices and therefore not direct. In logic, the mediate inference was compared to syllogism, which was discussed last semester, because the meaning of syllogism is a deductive scheme of a formal argument consisting of a major and a minor premise and a conclusion, which is the same meaning of mediate inference. Like for example, every OM student is clever. Kate is an OM student. Therefore, Kate is clever. Another is, every virtue is commendable. Honesty is a virtue. Therefore, honesty is a virtue as well as commendable. Last example, all boys are cheater. Juan is a boy. Therefore, Juan is a cheater. And this is the meaning and example of mediate inference or syllogism. And that ends my report. Thank you for listening and watching. Take care and God bless.